Nikon D5 review. Nikon's new flagship DSLR is a phenomenal performer as long as you don't want to shoot 4K video clips longer than 3 minutes. Teach reader verdict. The Nikon D5 will keep pros happy with its great burst shooting and low light performance, but a couple of niggling build issues mean it isn't conveniencing an upgrade over the D4S as it could have been. Pros: high specification autofocus system, high sensitivity range, durable build. Cons: 4K recording limited to 3 minutes, vertical grip control arrangement doesn't match the horizontal grips. The information screen should be more useful. In November 2015, Nikon announced that the D5 was in development to replace the D4S, the company's flagship SLR aimed at professional photojournalists and sport photographers. With the Olympic Games arriving this summer, it was odds on the would see something correct at CE in January, and sure enough, Nikon obliged revealing its new 20.8 MP full frame model at the show in Las Vegas. Few at the conference could claim not be surprised by the new camera's top expanded sensitivity settings. ISO 3 2800 are a little over 3 million. Actually, even 280 millions is quite a lot in ISO terms. This is something Canon hasn't matched with its new 1DX MK2, which has a maximum expansion settings of ISO 409600, and it begs the obvious question: does ISO 3 to 80 million actually produce usable result? More on there later. While a maximum setting of ISO 3 to 80 might attract the headlines, the real reason for this hike in sensitivity is the work that Nikon has done to improve image quality and noise control at the more commonly used setting, those within the native range of ISO 100, 102, 400. According to Dirk Jasper, product manager for Nikon Europe, the main target area for improvements with the D5 was the ISO 6400 to 12800 range. At these values are most commonly demanded by professional sports and new photographers. And other feature that's incredibly important to the D5's target audience is the autofocus AF system, and Nikon has also upped the ante her giving the new camera a 153-point system and that has 99 cross type sensor with a central point that's sensitive down to 4 ev. Of the 153 points, 55 or 15 are individually selectable. The rest are sport points, and the cross tie points extend closer to the edge of the frame than in previous cameras. The system can be set to operate in single point 25, 72 or 153 points. Dynamic area AF D3 tracking, group area AF or auto area AF mode. There's also a new ASIC computer unit that's dedicated to the AF system to ensure constantly high performance. The AF workflow and tracking system have also been improved to better keep up with faster moving subjects. Of course, a fast AF system needs to be paired with fast continuous shooting capability and thanks to the speed 5 processing engine D5.